My name is Sabbir Hossain Turjo, and I am heading the R&D department for Augmetics. The R&D team is actually a global team. We have a small team of Android and full stack engineers here in San Francisco, and a huge team of 40 plus people in Bangladesh taking care of DevOps, streaming, product engineering, and everything in between. I think our mission makes us very different from all the other companies out there and that I've worked with. And the mission is to solve a real world problem with real world people with innovative and not seen before technology, hardware and software. One of our core values in Augmetics is being a beast. And I think as part of the R&D team, it's one of the most essential qualities that you need to have. For example, in order to make this frontier hardware to work with the complex software technologies and to make it all work securely, you constantly need to push your abilities to beyond the 100% that you're putting in. You need to put in extra hours to understand the technology, to research more, and to solve highly complex problems. So if you're not a beast, you will definitely struggle. And if you're not putting in 100% day in, day out, you will find it very difficult to sustain the constant challenges and the need to provide quality. The future of Augmetics, I think the promise that it has in coming up with latest and greatest technology, heads-up display, frontier hardware from a technical perspective, and from a global perspective, enabling thousands of young, enthusiastic people coming into the workforce, learning a new job and establishing this whole new system where it eventually ends up making healthcare better. My favorite Augmetics memory is when we were really struggling to make our software work for a new heads-up display hardware. We were down at the barrel and we were really struggling to make it work, but we came up with a couple of in-house solutions and some technologies that we built in-house from ground up that enabled us to use that hardware and scale rapidly with our customers. So this happened, I think, a couple of years ago. So in the last 5 years, I would say like that was one of the highlights from an R&D perspective. Like we really made it work by innovating and coming up with something very original.